Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Toyota Tacoma, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how we completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by removing the tail lights. There's 4 screws that you can remove using a Phillips head screwdriver. Now disconnect the tail light harness from the tail light. Now repeat for the other side. You can now install the yellow and brown connector of the wire harness to the driver's side tail light. We're going to follow the existing wire harness and pass it through this hole and then up to the tail light harness. You can now install the mating adapter to the vehicle harness and to the tail light. Now reinstall the driver tail light. The short screws go on the interior mounting locations. The long screws go on the exterior mounting locations. We're now going to route the green and the red connector to our passenger side tail light. First, we'll pass it over the vehicle's frame, follow the existing electrical harness, and pass it over the frame on the other side. Now pass your connector up to the tail light cavity. Now connect the mating adapters and reinstall the passenger tail light. You can now hide your converter box using double-sided sticky tape. You can now ground the white wire to a bare metal surface using the provided self-tapping screw. We're going to now pass the 4-flat connector over the driver's side frame and bring it to the receiver to mount it on a bracket. This wiring connector bracket does not come with a kit, but you can pick one up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or you can order one from the link in the description below. Now pick the location of your mounting bracket. Use it as a template to mark out 2 holes that you can pre-drill with a 1/8 drill bit. You can now place the retention strap of the dust cover over the 4-flat connector. Wiggle the 4-flat connector into the bracket and cover with the cover. We can now use provided zip ties to secure the loose wiring to electrical harnesses in the vehicle, beginning with our red and green wire coming from the passenger tail light. That concludes trailer wiring for your Toyota Tacoma. Thank you for watching. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.